Hey guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Do comment if you like my videos. Today I am sharing potato pancake recipe. It is easy breakfast recipe. For making this potato pancake, grate some potato. Wash the grated potato with clean water and squeeze it well. Make it dry. Squeeze out all the water from potato. Now in a bowl add half cup maida. Grated and squeezed potatoes. Then add spring onion 2 tablespoons. Add 1 green chilli and 1 red chilli. If you don't have red chilli, that's fine, you can add red chilli flakes if you want to make it more spicy. Then add half teaspoon black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Then add salt and mix all together. Mix all the ingredients well. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix again. Add again 1/4 cup of water and mix. Do not use all water once because it may get thin, so add water one by one. You have to create the consistency like this. If you are cooking for more people, you can use more potato and flour and adjust the quantity of water. Now add 2 eggs. Mix this well with other ingredients. So make a nice batter for making pancakes. If you liking this video, please subscribe and like my videos and check other playlist also for easy breakfast recipes, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now take a white pan and with the help of spoon add the batter like this. Add batter and spread it in small shape. You have to do it quickly because the batter will get thick very quickly. Add 1 tablespoon oil and cook it on medium flame. Once it get cooked, flip it and cook other side also. This recipe has maida flour and potato, which make this recipe very delicious and tasty. Both the side of pancake should become golden brown to get completely cooked. You can see how beautiful it is looking. Potato pancake is ready. Garnish it with spring onions and serve it with sauce. Eat this breakfast when it is hot. You can also eat it with other mint chutney or any other dip. If you like this video, please comment and like. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.